Hi everyone, today we discuss about the real numbers of class 10th class topic. So before go to learn real numbers, we need to learn the other numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. So let me explain that natural numbers now. Natural numbers is also called counting numbers. Counting. We know very well counting numbers. When you count particular objects or things, we need to start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are called natural numbers. Now including with the natural numbers n, there is a special number that is 0. So we can call as a whole numbers. You can call whole numbers. So okay, means whole numbers is nothing but the set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So these are called whole numbers. Okay, next integers. So integers is denoted by I, or also we can denote it by Z. So integers is the combination of positive and negative numbers. So including with the 0. So these are called integers. So integer is a combination of total 3 sets. One is negative integers, and another one is 0, and another one is a positive integers. So we have a name about the positive integers. We can call natural numbers. So 0 is neither positive nor negative, and these are called negative numbers. Is the fake. You can call the fake number or mirror numbers. So 0 is a behave as a mirror. So these are called original numbers, nothing but natural. The fake, the mirror numbers are called imaginary numbers. Imaginary integers. So these are called integers numbers, and then after that integers, the next set is rational numbers. Next one is the rational numbers. Is denoted by Q. So very important. Rational numbers is a combination of natural numbers, including with 0, including with negative numbers, and especially fractions. Fractions in the same way we can call it decimals. So these are all called as a rational numbers. So it's a general. If you want to say in a definition, the real rational numbers is nothing but the numbers in the form of p by q. P by q is nothing but a fractional form. Is called rational numbers. This is very important, where this p and q are here are integers, and q compulsory not equal to 0. Very important word is q not equal to 0. Why q not equal to 0? We know very well about 2 by 0 answer, 6 by 0. So if the denominator is 0, we cannot find the value. You learn in 6th class only. 2 by 0 is not division by 0 is not defined. So that's why in a fraction you should never be equal to, denominator never be equal to 0. So these are called rational numbers. There are some different type of decimals for rational numbers. Then come to after rational numbers, the next topic is irrational numbers. Irrational. So this irrational number is nothing but opposite is denoted by q dash, or we denoted by s. So later we discuss separate numbers in another video. So discuss about only we are discussing about the real numbers. So that's why I am explaining a definition of rational number. So irrational number is nothing but the opposite word of rational numbers. So what is rational number which is in the form of p by q? So what is irrational number which is not in the form of p by q? So these are called irrational numbers. So we are discussing every rational number topic we are discussing already. We are discussing every rational number. Every number can be written as a p by q form. So how can you say that which type of numbers we cannot in the form of p by q? So there are some few numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. So they are not in the form of p by q. They may be look like a not a perfect squares like root 2, root 3, root 5. These type of numbers, and also the decimals which are non-terminating, non-repeating like this. There is no terminates, and also there is no repeating numbers. These type of numbers are called irrational numbers. So if you know rational numbers, it is easy to know that irrational numbers. So then our main topic is real numbers. Real numbers is the combination of rational and irrational numbers. So real number is equal to rational numbers including irrational numbers. And you know that rational numbers is already know that is a combination of natural numbers and whole numbers and integers and also fractions. So that is the real number is nothing but all of these numbers including irrational numbers. So irrational number is separate and this rational, natural, whole, integers and fractions are separate. So clear explanation. So let it be real number is a father of numbers. Suppose real numbers, the father of numbers. So real number is a combination of rational and irrationals. So that is rational number and irrational number. So wife 1 let it be like wife 2. So now having a rational number having some sons and daughters. So let it be for first wife we have a number n is one of the elder son, younger son, and one more whole numbers is also elder son, and one more integers. So integer having a negative number, so let it be some daughter. So there is no children for irrational numbers 5 2. So this is a family of numbers. So we can treat it as a father of numbers is real numbers. So real numbers is a combination of two different type of numbers, q and q dash, wife 1, wife 2. So wife 1 we have 3 children that like that natural numbers and whole numbers and integers. So these all 3 will be included in rational numbers. Natural number is different, irrational number is different. But every natural number is a real number, every irrational number is also real number. Suppose 6, we can say that 6 is a number. 6 is a natural number, yes. 6 is a whole number, yes. 6 is an integer, yes. 6 is a rational number, yes. 6 is a real number, yes. But 6 is not irrational. So 6 is a real, rational, integer, whole number and natural number. But irrational is very different from it. This is a one of family we can treat it as. So the family having a one more additional sets, they are two different from the remaining sets. So this is about the real numbers. Real numbers is nothing but the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, we'll discuss the